My name is Ryan, and today I'm going to take you on a quick journey to the amazing land of penguins. Are you ready? Let's start. Did you know that penguins are birds? But they cannot fly. But instead, they're great swimmers. They zip through the water like little torpedoes. Penguins are great parents. The mommy penguin lays 1 or 2 eggs. Both parents take turns keeping the eggs warm and feeding the chick. Penguins love their nap. Penguins are great talkers. Penguins have 9 ways of communicating with each other. Penguins love their nap time. They sleep to 11 hours, but in little naps, like 4 seconds at a time. Penguins can sleep standing up, laying down, or floating in the water. Penguins have thick feathers that keep them warm in the icy water, and a layer of fat under their skin called blubber. And they also have a heating system in their legs. Now for the most exciting. Food. Penguins love munching on fish, squid. Penguins are great hunters. Thanks for listening.